Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to prevent spell check on WhatsApp Web for PC. If you've been frustrated by unwanted autocorrections or highlighted misspellings while chatting, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the simple steps to disable this feature in the latest WhatsApp Web update. Let's dive right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and head to WhatsApp Web. Once you've logged in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen. Now, look to the left side of the interface. You'll notice a menu with various options. What we're looking for is the settings icon. It looks like a gear or cog. Go ahead and click on that settings icon. A new menu will pop up, showing you several categories to choose from. We're interested in the chats option, so let's click on that. In the chat settings, you'll find various options to customize your WhatsApp web experience. Scroll down a bit, and you should see an option labeled spell check or something similar. This is what we're after. To disable spell check, simply click on the toggle switch next to this option. You'll know it's turned off when the switch changes color or position. And just like that, you're done. It's that easy. From now on, you won't see those red squiggly lines under words WhatsApp thinks are misspelled, and you won't have to deal with autocorrect changing your words unexpectedly. This can be especially helpful if you often type in multiple languages or use a lot of slang or abbreviations in your chats. No more fighting with your keyboard to say what you actually mean. Remember, you can always turn spell check back on by following these same steps and toggling the switch back on. It's all about personalizing your WhatsApp experience to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting without those pesky spell checks.